Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Wallester Virtual Cards. Review my usage experience. Wallester Virtual Cards Review My Usage Experience offers a service for creating and managing virtual payment cards. Its main purpose is to provide users with disposable virtual cards for online purchases, enhancing security and privacy. The target audience includes individuals and businesses concerned about online fraud and seeking better control over their spending. Key features likely include generating multiple virtual cards, setting spending limits, and managing transactions. Their website provides details on specific features and pricing plans. Wallester's positioning emphasizes ease of use and enhanced security. Their website highlights features like no hidden fees and customizable spending limits. They seem to focus on a user-friendly interface and straightforward management of virtual cards. The technology employed is likely based on secure virtual card generation and management systems. Availability is global, judging by their online presence. Though specific regional restrictions may apply, you should check their website to confirm availability in your area. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Wallester Virtual Cards. Review my usage experience. Getting started was a breeze. The sign-up process was quick and straightforward, and I had my first virtual card created within minutes. Navigating the interface was intuitive. The dashboard clearly displayed all my cards, their current balances, and recent transactions. I created separate cards for different online subscriptions and shopping, easily controlling spending on each. The performance was consistently reliable. I experienced no glitches or delays in generating cards or making online payments. I had a quick question about setting a recurring payment on one of my virtual cards, and their support responded within a day via email. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was. The standout feature for me was definitely the ability to easily set individual spending limits. One minor drawback was the limited customization options for the virtual cards themselves. There wasn't a way to add a personal image or custom name. It took me a little while to get used to the advanced settings for managing recurring payments, but the online help section was helpful. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Wallester. It provides a secure and convenient way to manage my online spending. That's my overview of Wallester Virtual Cards. Review my usage experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.